Yeah, or you can just get off and walk it if it gets going too fast. You know what I can't get out of my head? My ear. Go right, buddy. Yeah. Remember, at the end of the bridge, you're going to need to use your brakes or get off.
The end of the bridge.
Yeah. You're okay. You can go fast across the bridge. A little faster, Pate. I'm going to hit you. There you go. Whoa. Whoa. You're okay. It's not steep. Go ahead and jump on your bike, Quinn. Yeah, let her catch up to you, then go. Taylor, how's it going back there, buddy? You say hi? Good thing. No dead bodies. Sweet. All right, go ahead, Pate. Quinn, jump on, dude. She's so mad at me. You're good, Quinn. You're gonna need to get some speed, Quinn, to get up that hill. Whee! I did it. Oh, that's a big squirrel. Look at that. Look how big that thing is. Hey, you see the squirrel? Keep going. Go up high. Go. What does that mean? What does the sign mean? It says no dumping. That's a sign meant for Daddy. Go faster, Pate. Quinn, get out of the way. Let Peyton go by you.